Event
IWFFC for the events. They doing very good. You will love the food, and thank you so much for the.
One more thing, yes, definitely you guys can see where you are sitting here. Why are you sitting here? So this event is obviously going on December 6th, and with your support we will make it happen, and it will be a very successful show inshallah on December 6th. And one last request from my side, on every table you can see a
But when Mohammed and Tassim put on a show, you have to go to it. You have to be part of it. You have to.
पिछले कुछ साल we can choose our leaders, our speakers, and many other kind of person who can, give a way to the community to be a good leader in the society. So I'm very happy being a part of this good event. Thank you very much, and congratulations for your future.
We have North American Security Services, which is providing security guards on our day, our event. And we have Global HR Staffing and Recruiting Company, Mr. Ghulam Nabi Remax Gold. We have some working partners as well. So Mr. Sohail Khan from Science to Trade, our printing partners, and we have Best Fashion Magazine, Miss Susie. She's our judge and the creative choreographer. And इसके अलावा we have Irmilis, the makeup artist. She's the leading makeup artist under the.
The kickoff is excellent. No words about it. Last year when you had the IWFFC, I thought that was it. But you guys are always notching up, up and up. So I would really like to congratulate on your kickoff. I think the turnout is excellent. Your models are breathtaking, mashallah.
Fashion Wedding Show 2025?
Well, it's a really great event. As the name says, International Wedding Fashion Show. So it's all about the fashion lover, the wedding couture lover, and I would say special thanks to Shahid and Tasneem who invited me for this kind of an event. Special thanks to them and all the coordinators and the sponsors. So I look forward to it, and then definitely you should all be a part of this event on December 6th, which is the main event, and I look forward to see you there, everyone. Cheers.
Thank you, thank you. This is HunyahTravels. I'm with one of the models from International Fashion Wedding Show 2025. This is one of the models, Shirley. So what is your view for this year's show?
Hello, my name is Shirley. I am the first guy joining modeling this IWFFC. I am really excited. Thank you.
Thank you. So yeah, what is the view for this year's fashion show for you as a model?
Hi everyone, it's nice to meet you all. So I am very excited to be part of this event, and I'm looking forward to see you all on 6th December, and it's gonna be fun. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm here with Ravi. How do you think the show will be? What is your view on the show?
Yeah, the event is very nice. तो अभी जो आज बहुत बढ़िया इवेंट होने जा रहा है, और इसके बाद ये जो फाइनल जो इवेंट है वो 6 दिसंबर को होगा, और आप सभी आइए और इस इवेंट को कामयाब कीजिए. थैंक यू सो मच. आई एम रघुवीर चौहान.
Thank you.